Thanks for joining me today to talk about the Smart Connected Thermomix. The TM6 just keeps getting better and better. So let's get started. Let's talk about the rice mode. Originally we would have steamed our rice in the simmering basket above water, but with the rice mode we now cook our rice directly in the mixing bowl with the water through the absorption method. The recipes have been developed to go with the rice mode, offer a variety of different grains and rices. We offer white rice, there's jasmine rice, we've got basmati rice, we're also offering spelt grains, bulgur and millet, so there's lots of different options for you to choose from. Those rices you can cook, rices and grains you can cook anywhere between 200 to 500 grams, and they will serve roughly between 2 to 8 people depending on the serving size. The other way to access the rice mode is to go onto Cookie Do. We've already converted them for you. Search basmati rice TM6 and follow the instructions from there. Okay, so let's get started and cook some rice. I've already weighed the rice into the simmering basket and I've already pre-rinsed it. I've added in the water, the oil, the salt, and the rinsed rice. And now it's really, really important that you stir the rice. The reason we have to stir the rice is to ensure that the oil coats all of the grains. It will give you a better end product. We add on the lid, we add on the simmering basket. And then of course, as you can see, it's already pre-programmed. We just need to turn the dial and get it cooking. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to get hands-on with the TM6, contact your consultant or go onto our website and book a cooking